Relieved heart. It's like you've already got the money that you need, and you're relieved. You've already been healed. You already feel that feeling of a body that is functioning at an optimal level. The pain is gone. The root problem has been taken care of. It ain't a pain pill. It is the herbs are for the healing of the nations, and by his stripes we are healed. The belief that we're healed. The belief that we can have the impossible. Like having that feeling of it's mine already. It's already mine. It's already been delivered to me. I'm going to take it by faith. Even in the midst of my struggles. Even in the midst of me questioning myself and questioning the circumstances. Like, I know that the circumstances are arising to get the word out of you. Because if he can get the word, that's the main objective he has. He comes to steal the word. If you got it so rooted down in you, and you just stand there, no matter how harsh the winds are coming at you, or how much the pressure is pressuring on every side, Jesus says that you will not be crushed. Just stand there. When you can't advance, sometimes you just can't advance. It's just not a season for advancement because you're going through something to get something out of you that's in there that needs to leave. There's some habits in you, there's some mindsets in you that need to leave. And that pressure, God's going to use that pressure and use that pain to get you to a new level of faith in his goodness and in his word, where you're solely reliant on his word and on his goodness. When you're in this state and you can flow as a conduit of his love and power from that state, it's a powerful place to be. It's a powerful position for a human being to be on this planet. It's the most powerful. And that's what Strong Life Flowing is teaching. We're teaching there is a power position that a human can get to where you're so reliant on that finished work and you've rested your case. Your case is gone. Jesus has taken up your case and he's put mercy upon your case. He's put grace upon your case. And you're absolutely snow white clean. As clean as what you are, pure in the sight of God. And you've got to understand this. This is what we all have to understand. We are perfect in the sight of God. Absolutely perfect in his sight. He's looking at us through himself. God was hanging on that cross, shedding his physical body, his perfect physical body, the blood for us. And he finished it. It is a done deal. Now we need to pick up the torch. Paul and all the boys were talking about there's something else. There's a mystery that we're reaching for that they didn't grab. And it's time for us to grab it and hold on to it. No matter what comes, no matter what ridicule we get, there is a message in Strong Life Flowing that is intended to knock down the giant and to cut his head off. This is Strong Life Flowing.